This is different from all the other graphic tools that I have used. You're not going to want to miss this.
Glorify absolutely rock. I would even add a little line in there that says the last e-commerce design tool you'll ever need.
Biggest benefit for people like me who build funnels for a living is there is so many templates available on his platform of all different niches, all different themes.
35 images in this brand kit. I haven't come across a tool like this, let you have such a deep consistency of templates like this.
Glorify actually have a tool that helps you to remove the background of your images.
I'm super, super impressed, and I'm really, really glad that I got in on the lifetime plan.
You can do it from any computer that you have access to and just start editing and get it done like it should.
You can get e-commerce type of project done with this tool faster, in my opinion, than you can in other tools, especially with their integrations with good mockup designs, libraries, and things like that.
And I can assure you, you will not regret it because this tool kills.